Hi, Gary. Here's your Quaker. Now this bird is a little over a year, and I don't know. Quakers are kind of shy, you know, to be out on a finger. Hey, step up. They'd rather be under your neck or something. Oh, what a good birdie! Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful you are. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Wants to be on me. Hey, let's be a little chapel here. Yeah, how's this? Pretty good, huh? Oh, who's my baby bird? My baby bird. Oh, honey, little baby. You're so sweet. You're my little baby. He's kind of insecure, so he likes to be kind of not just balancing in one hand. You can probably get that down later. And Quakers are so sweet. I would look into a flight suit, which is like designer diapers for a bird. And then you can take him out. If you want to take him out, he could be a service bird. Oh, you are so sweet. You're such a good bird. Look how cute you are. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the camera. You sweetie. Where can I hide? Where can I hide? Yeah. Oh, and Quakers are jewelry thieves, so you have to watch out for anything. Like around the house, they'll take anything. And, try to put it in a nest. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yes. South America, Argentina, Uruguay, Bolivia, around in that area. That's where they come from. And just a little fuzzy ball, very affectionate. You're a good bird. You're a good bird. You're doing all right. You're doing all right. Yeah. And we have more of these. We have more Blue Quakers. And we'd appreciate if you'd all, I'm getting southern now, if you'd all subscribe. You like us and subscribe, we really appreciate you. Oh, birdie.
And you'll be notified.
Yeah, you'll be notified of coming attractions. Yeah. What a sweet bird you are. You're beautiful. Yeah. You're sweet birdie. You're sweet birdie.